Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and sign up on onX Hunt. So in order to download onX Hunt, first of all, go to your app store. As you go to your app store, tap on the lower bottom section that is search button, and on the search bar, type in onX Hunt. As you do this, an app will pop up. Tap on the app and then tap on Get in order to download the app. After your app gets downloaded, tap on Open. Allow onX Hunt to access your location. Now, in order to create an account, type in your email address. Here I'm typing in my email address. After that, type in your password. Then tap on Create Account in order to sign up. Now after this, you'll have to select a state in order to enjoy all the premium mapping and GPS features that it will be available to you very free for about 7 days. So simply tap in your state and then tap on Start Mapping. Tap on Start Mapping again. And then here you go. You will be signed up for your onX Hunt account. So this is how you sign up. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.